In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for manufacturing. Let's start right from the beginning. Go ahead and log into your monday.com account. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want to manage your manufacturing processes. On the right side of that workspace name, click the plus icon. Hover over the option that says Board and then click New Board. A pop-up window appears. You'll notice you can create a board with AI or set it up manually. For this walkthrough, choose to create the board manually. Type a clear, descriptive name for your board, something like production schedule or manufacturing inventory. Next, select what you're going to manage on this board and choose the privacy type that fits your team, then click Create Board. Now you're on your new, empty board. The next step is to add the columns you need for inventory and production management. To do this, click the plus icon on the far right of your current columns. From there, search for and add the column types you need. For example, use an item column for your product, batch, or task name. Add a status column so you can track stages like not started, in progress, quality check, and completed. Use a people column to assign operators, supervisors, or team members. A timeline or date column works well for production start and end dates, delivery deadlines, or maintenance schedules. Numbers columns are great for quantities produced, defect counts, or batch sizes. You can also add drop-down or tags columns to mark product type, production line, or department, and text or long text columns for notes, instructions, or any deviations. Finally, a files column lets you attach blueprints, manuals, quality reports, or procedures directly to each item. If you need to delete a column, hover over its header, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete. To rename a column, just click the header text and type. To add or edit values, click directly into any cell. If you want to rearrange columns, hover over the header until your cursor turns into a hand, then drag and drop it left or right. For complex processes, use subitems to break a larger task into smaller, trackable steps under a single main item. To keep everything organized, use groups. Groups help you separate work by production stage, like raw material, assembly, quality check, packaging, and shipping. By production line or department, such as line 1, line 2, or maintenance, or by batch or shift. You can then use different views to match your workflow. A Kanban or status view lets you see tasks by stage. A timeline or Gantt view helps you schedule runs and monitor deadlines. Calendar view is perfect for deliveries, maintenance, and inspections. And a dashboard pulls key metrics together, like output, defect rates, and resource use. From here, you can continue to tweak and refine your board so it matches exactly how your manufacturing process works.